Hello everyone, it's great to see you back. Today, I will show you how to move your tool palettes in AutoCAD Plant 3D from an older version to a newer one in just a few simple steps. Let's start. First, make sure to close all versions of AutoCAD Plant 3D. Next, go to the support folder in the older version of Plant 3D. You can find the full path in the description. Look for the tool palette folder and copy it. Now, go to the support folder in the newer version of Plant 3D. The full path is also in the description. Find the tool palette folder there and rename the existing one to Tool Palette Standard. Then, paste the copied tool palette folder from the older version into the support folder of the newer version. Open the AutoCAD Plant 3D application. Create a new blank drawing. On the right side, you will see all the tool palettes appear, but they might not be organized. Let's fix that. Right-click on the title bar of the tool palette. Choose Customize Palettes from the menu, or type the Customize command in the command line and press Enter. Right-click in an empty space to create your own new group with custom name. Finally, drag each palette from the left frame into your newly created group. You can also move the custom palettes into existing groups like P&ID, PIP, etc. Click the Close button. Now you can rearrange the tool palettes using the gear icon at the bottom right and check it out. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your tool palettes to the new version of AutoCAD Plant 3D. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and see you next time.